Trex Hideaway Hidden Fastener Installation Guide. How to replace a board when using stainless steel connector clips. Step 1. Mark the board 1/3 in from each side. Step 2. Make 2 parallel cuts down the center of the board and remove the centerpiece. Step 3. Remove the remaining pieces of decking from the tabs. Step 4. Hammer down the tabs on the sides of the board with the screw head shown on one side of the opening only. Step 5. Position the new board onto the remaining tabs. Then use a pry bar to position it into place. Once the board is set into position, secure the lead edge with a finish nail, finish screw, or using a counter drill, screw, and plug. For more information, visit Trex.com, TrexPartners.com, or call 1-800-BUY-TREX.